just to prove it to you guys, I've redeemed all these gift cards. As you can see, they're all $100 Amazon gift cards. I'm back with a new video. Recently, a lot of people have been asking me to make a video of a hack of AppBounty or AppNana, and I finally decided to make one, and the video is going to be about AppBounty, so I hope you guys enjoy it. The first thing you gotta do is launch a website from the description, and it will take you to your Safari, and then you're gonna wait 5 seconds and then press on skip ad. After that, it's going to take you to the App Store, which is going to be the way that you're going to install an application called VPN. Now install this application and wait for it to be downloaded, and then press on open, and then I'm gonna walk you through what you're going to do. Press on allow if it asks you, and then press on continue, and also press on agree and continue, and then press on tap to install VPN. It's gonna take you to your settings, and once you're there, you're gonna press on install. And when you have a password, just type in your password, your mobile password, and then press on install again, and then the application should be installed. After that, you're gonna press on done, and it's gonna exit out of the application, and I'm gonna show you what the next step is. So after we install this application, the VPN program will work, and it will change our IP address to the United States. If it doesn't change it to United States, make sure you choose United States. After that, just launch in Safari, and then put in a new website, which is obviously appbounty.net. So I'm just gonna open up appbounty.net, and I'm gonna type in the website's name, which is appbounty.net, and then I'm gonna press on open. As you can see, I'm gonna launch the website, and also you saw this annotation on the screen. These are all the steps. If you have any mistakes, make sure to read them and do them correctly. This will stay without a third of the video, so you can be able to see the steps. Okay, after you launch AppBounty, it's gonna take you to the App Store, which is going to let you install an application called Blue. It might take you to the App Store and it might not. It depends on the country that you live in. But once you install this IP or the VPN program, it's gonna take you to this program, which is called Blue. AppBounty needs to be registered with this program, so you need to install this application and then press on open. And once you install this application, you're gonna be able to go to the real AppBounty website. So I just fast forwarded it, and I basically typed in appbounty.net, and once you're there, just press on register and type in this invitation code. It will help me out, and it will also help you out. It will give me some credits, and it will give you some credits as well. So make sure you type in CLYLFVKQ to get free 15 credits, which is going to be helpful with this tutorial, because you're gonna need an invitation code to be entered. It doesn't matter if it's mine, you can enter any invitation code that you want, but I prefer if you do this, it will help me out. So after that, you can press on notify me, or you can just leave it like that. I chose notify me, and what you'll need to do is going to install at least one application. It does not work if you don't have any application installed. So make sure you choose any application from the list that AppBounty gives you, and once it's installed, the hack will begin. And I'm going to explain how this hack will begin. So just make sure you install one application and run it for at least 1 minute, and then go to AppBounty and receive your credits. If that works, that means the hack will begin. So basically, this VPN program changes your IP address to United States. So each minute the IP address gets changed, and when you install an application, that application's credit is going to be coming to your IP, the one that changes. So if it says 30 points or 30 credits, you're gonna get that 30 credit each time the IP address is changed. And as you can see, I have this iPhone 6 Plus, and I've collected almost 363,000 credits, which is almost $900. I've used the VPN program to collect these credits, and you can do the same as well. And just to prove it to you guys, I've redeemed all these gift cards. As much as $1,500 maybe. As you can see, they're all $100 Amazon gift cards, and there are some PlayStation ones as well. So thank you for watching.